Imagine walking into a house that smells like a fresh spring morning, a tropical paradise, or a cozy winter cabin. You can make that a reality. Welcome to a journey of transforming your home into a fragrant haven, a place that not only looks good, but also smells amazing. Today, we delve into the world of scents, exploring how the right aroma can change the ambiance of your home, lifting your spirits and creating a comforting environment. We will share some simple yet effective tips and tricks that can help you infuse your space with your favorite fragrances. It's not just about impressing guests, it's about creating a home that soothes your senses and brings a sense of peace and tranquility every time you step in. So let's get started on this aromatic adventure. Welcome to Serene Shelter, your guide to a more tranquil and comforting home. Your first ally in the fight against bad odors is essential oils. These little bottles pack a big punch when it comes to not only eliminating unpleasant smells, but also creating an atmosphere that's uniquely you. Essential oils can be used in a variety of ways. Diffusers are a popular choice, allowing the oil to evaporate into the air, filling your home with a scent that's both pleasing and purifying. If you prefer a more direct approach, consider making your own spray. It's as simple as combining a few drops of your favorite oil with water in a spray bottle. A quick spritz here and there can work wonders. For those hard-to-reach or persistently smelly areas, consider soaking a cotton ball in essential oil and placing it strategically. This method is particularly useful for closets or drawers. And remember, the power of essential oils doesn't stop at smell. They can influence mood as well. Lavender is known for its calming properties, while citrus scents are often associated with energy and positivity. So pick a scent that makes you happy and let it fill your home. Now, if you're into DIY projects, this one is for you. It's time to freshen up your home with a homemade air freshener. It's easy to make, cost-effective, and allows you to customize the scent to your liking. All you need is some baking soda and your favorite essential oils. The baking soda works as a natural odor eliminator, while the essential oils provide a pleasant aroma. To start, fill a jar halfway with baking soda. Then add about 15 to 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. Mix them well and voila! You've got yourself a homemade air freshener. The beauty of this method is its flexibility. You can experiment with different essential oils to create a scent that's unique to your home. Plus, it's a more natural alternative to store-bought air fresheners, which often contain artificial fragrances and chemicals. And the best part? It's not just about making your home smell fantastic, it's also about the satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands. With this method, not only is your house going to smell great, but you also get the satisfaction of a DIY job well done. Of course, we cannot talk about a good-smelling home without mentioning cleanliness. It's the bedrock of a fresh and inviting atmosphere. Regular cleaning is crucial. It's not just about dusting and sweeping, but also about focusing on specific tasks that can notably impact the scent of your home. Take out the trash regularly to avoid any unpleasant odors seeping into your living space. Keep your refrigerator clean. It's surprising how much a forgotten leftover can stink up your house. And don't forget about washing your linens. There's nothing quite like the smell of fresh, clean sheets to make your home feel cozy and inviting. Now let's talk about scented cleaning products. These are your secret weapon in the fight against bad odors. Not only do they help clean your home, but they also leave behind a delightful fragrance. From lavender-scented floor cleaners to lemon-fresh window sprays, these products can make the chore of cleaning a sensory pleasure. Remember, a clean home is a fresh-smelling home. Nature has its way of keeping things fresh, and you can bring that into your home. One of the easiest and most natural ways to freshen up your home is by using indoor plants. They're not just for aesthetics. These green companions also have air-purifying and scenting properties that can turn your living space into a breath of fresh air. But not all plants are created equal when it comes to their olfactory offerings. Some plants are known for their pleasant smell. For instance, lavender, with its calming aroma, can help you relax after a long day. Jasmine, with its sweet and intoxicating scent, can fill your home with a sense of tranquility. Then there's eucalyptus, a plant with a strong, minty scent that can clear your sinuses and give your home a spa-like atmosphere. And let's not forget about the humble houseplant, the spider plant, known for its air-purifying properties. So go green and let your house smell like a garden. And there you have it, friends, your guide to a great-smelling home. From the invigorating power of essential oils, through to making your own DIY air fresheners, we've covered a lot of ground. We've also touched upon the importance of maintaining a clean home, not just for hygiene, but also for the overall aroma. And finally, we've explored the natural way to keep your home fresh with the help of indoor plants. Now it's over to you. We encourage you to try these methods, see which ones work best for you, and maybe even come up with some of your own. After all, every home is unique, and so are the scents that make it feel special. If you've got some great tips or tricks up your sleeve, don't keep them to yourself. Share them with our community in the comments. So, what do you think? What's your favorite way to keep your home smelling fresh? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home care tips. Until next time, keep your home serene and smelling great.